Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today, we make buttered shrimp in under 15 minutes using garlic, butter, and a few simple seasonings for a quick weeknight dinner. Need dinner on the table fast, but still want it to taste special. Picture a pan of sizzling shrimp, glossy with garlic butter, ready before your rice has even finished steaming. That is the magic of buttered shrimp. This dish is a weeknight dream. You need only a few basic ingredients, almost no prep, and less than 15 minutes from fridge to plate. It works for busy parents, solo cooks, and anyone who is tired of takeout but short on time. This video walks you through the simplest buttered shrimp recipe, plus easy tricks to get it right every time. By the end, you will know how to cook juicy shrimp, choose the best seasonings, and turn one pan into many different meals. Why buttered shrimp is your quick weeknight hero. Buttered shrimp is the kind of recipe you make once, then keep in your back pocket forever. The ingredient list is short, the method is simple, and the flavor is big enough to feel like a small celebration on a random Tuesday. At its core, the dish is just shrimp, butter, garlic, and salt. That is it. No long marinades, no rare spices, no tricky steps. If you can melt butter and stir a pan, you can cook this. The speed is what makes it a true weeknight hero. Shrimp cook in minutes, not half an hour. While the pan heats, you pat the shrimp dry. While the shrimp cook on one side, you mince a clove of garlic. Before you know it, dinner smells like a restaurant kitchen. Another win is how easy it is to adapt. Want it a little smoky? Add paprika. Want gentle heat? Add red pepper flakes. Want something bright and fresh? Finish with lemon juice and chopped parsley. You can keep it mild for kids, then pass hot sauce at the table for spice lovers. One simple base recipe, endless small twists. The flavor essentials: butter, garlic, and secret spices. Great buttered shrimp starts with good basics. Think of these as your flavor building blocks. Butter. Use unsalted butter. That gives you full control over the salt level. Salted butter can work if that is all you have, but you will need to season more carefully. For a rich, silky sauce, use enough butter to lightly coat the bottom of the pan and to spoon a little over the shrimp at the end. Garlic. Fresh minced garlic beats garlic powder every time here. Powder gives a flat, background flavor. Fresh garlic blooms in the hot butter and fills your kitchen with that classic, savory smell. Mince it finely so it softens fast and does not burn. Seasonings that lift the dish. Paprika. Adds gentle warmth and a pretty orange color. Dried parsley or Italian seasoning. Gives a light herby note without extra chopping. Salt and black pepper. Simple, but they wake everything up. Red pepper flakes. Optional, for a little kick. Lemon juice. A quick squeeze at the end cuts through the richness and makes the butter taste brighter. You do not need all of these every time. Start with butter, garlic, salt, pepper, and a splash of lemon. Add 1 or 2 extras to match your mood and what you are serving on the side. Simple steps for perfectly sizzling buttered shrimp. Ready to cook? Here is a clear, no-stress guide to an easy buttered shrimp recipe that serves about 2 to 3 people. Prep the shrimp. Use raw, peeled, deveined shrimp, medium to large size. If frozen, thaw them in the fridge or under cold running water, then pat very dry with paper towels. Season the shrimp. In a bowl, toss shrimp with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of paprika. You can add a small pinch of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. Heat the pan. Place a large skillet on medium-high heat. Let it get hot first. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. When the butter melts and starts to foam, tilt the pan so it coats the bottom. Sear the first side. Add shrimp in a single layer. They should sizzle as they hit the pan. Do not crowd the pan, Work in 2 batches if needed. Let them cook, without moving much, for about 2 to 3 minutes until the bottoms turn pink and start to brown in spots. Flip and add garlic. Flip the shrimp with tongs. Add 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic to the butter in the pan. Stir the garlic around the shrimp so it cooks in the butter, not directly on a dry surface. Finish cooking. Cook another 2 minutes or so, just until the shrimp turn fully pink and opaque and curl into a loose C shape. Add a small knob of butter if the pan looks dry, along with a pinch of dried parsley or Italian seasoning. Brighten the sauce. Turn off the heat. Squeeze in a bit of fresh lemon juice and taste the sauce. Add a touch more salt or pepper if needed. Spoon the garlic butter over the shrimp. Serve right away. Shrimp taste best hot, right from the pan. Slide them onto plates or over rice, pasta, or salad, and pour every last drop of buttery sauce on top. By following these steps, your shrimp will be perfectly juicy and flavorful. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.